Hi there. In this video, we will present an overview of Section 3 of Design Tech 301. This section introduces the first set of tools that you'll need to meet a wide variety of industry standards. There are a lot of different standards to meet depending on what industry you are working in. So what we will begin with are some of the tools that are used by every industry to make drawings look normal for their particular users. To make it easy to set and reuse your settings again and again, AutoCAD uses styles for important parts of a drawing. Once a style is made, you can assign that style to anything that has been drawn. That includes lines, shapes, text, dimensions, and things like that. You'll learn about specific styles that are used in different industries later on, but here you'll learn how to set them. In particular, we are going to work with dim styles and text styles. And there is another tool called layers. Layers group lines and shapes, text, and dimensions into groups that have the same look and function. That way you can control a whole lot of objects in your drawing by controlling just one layer. Don't worry if that doesn't make sense right now. You just need to know how to push the right buttons in AutoCAD and to follow the steps in these assignments. It will make more sense to you as you start to use these tools in the next few sections of this course and even more in future courses. After we work with drawing standards, we'll dive into another thing that is really a workplace standard, and that is the process of making revisions. Revisions are substantial changes to a drawing that are needed in order to update it. It could be for a design change, a manufacturing process change, or some other need that has been assigned by the engineer. Revisions are usually signified in a red cloud so that you can find it and work on it easily. In our case, you'll be asked to fix anything that was noted in the grading of your Section 1 and Section 2 drawings. And then you'll set up the drawings so that you can plot them on individual PDF sheets. This is very typical of entry-level work in the design trades. As in previous sections, you will find that there are some lecture videos that go beyond what you will see in the assignment demo videos. In this section, we introduce the concept of model space and paper space. This is a very important topic. So there is a lecture video about it that will help make sense of your step-by-step work in both of these spaces when you do the assignments. And there is a lecture about the Design Center which will also help make sense of the step-by-step instructions in the assignment demo videos. And finally, for your collaboration work, you will again use a large language model to do some basic research on particular things about standards that are of most interest to you. And you'll share your work in a shared collaboration file so that you can get used to working with various sharing permissions that are typical to the workplace. So there you have it. Section 3 is all about how to use AutoCAD to make drawings look right to the people that will read them. We introduce styles and layers in the revision process. We also begin to work with model space and paper space so that we can print or plot our work in the format that our client wants it to be in. And finally, we'll do some large language model research about standards and share it with our colleagues. As always, please contact your professor quickly if you run into any problems. There is nothing like a quick one-on-one meeting to help you get through them.